Hi, Frank from Family Handyman. I'm here today to show you how to replace the glass and reglaze an old sash window. First, heating up the old glazing compound with a heat gun or torch is going to make the job so much more efficient and faster. As the old glazing compound warms up, it is easier to remove it with a putty knife or scraper. Once the old glaze has been removed, you will be able to see the glazing points. Remove points and be careful, these are sharp. Now that the points have been removed, you can remove the old glass. The rabbet is the area of the window where the glass sits in. It is important to clean out this area very well from old glaze and other debris. This is important so when the new glass is placed into the rabbet that the glass does not crack or break. To prepare for laying the glass into the rabbet area, apply a light amount of glazing compound into different areas of the rabbet. Carefully tilt the new glass into place and push down on the edges and the perimeter of the glass to make sure that the glass makes complete contact. Add glazing points around the perimeter of the window to keep the glass in place. Now that the glass is stable and in place, we can add new glazing putty. Knead the putty in your hands to warm it up. This will make it easier to roll it out. Work one section at a time. Use the putty knife to create a bevel profile. On the corners, try to make a 45-degree angle. Clean off excess putty with putty knife. Prime and paint the putty after it skins. Now that the project is complete, you can reinstall the window. For more home improvement projects like this, go to FamilyHandyman.com.